On August 13, 1961, more than 60 years ago, the construction of a concrete barrier commenced in Germany, physically separating West Berlin from its East Berlin and East German surroundings. This was called the Berlin Wall, a symbol of ideological division and suppression of human rights during the Cold War, and also the representation of the Iron Curtain that separated Western and Eastern Europe. The Berlin Wall stood until November 9, 1989, when crowds of East Germans crossed the wall to join the West Germans, and at the same time, with hammers and picks, they started tearing down the barrier, marking the demolition of the wall and the end of the Cold War shortly afterwards. So, why was the Berlin Wall built? And why did its fall mark the end of the Cold War?